tracking down the goalkeeper, so that looks a little more promising. Bata back to Chaine, and the pressure. Oh, Tembazwani does not look good.
Nice control there from the coach.
They won't be worried about the league right now. It's MTN8 advantage that both teams will be looking for.
He is the right man for that job, but he needs to get into the game as soon as possible.
Now Mokoena surveys what's ahead of him, and it's Rainers running on. Good cover coming across Rainers' path. Buccaneer fans travel to Atteridgeville if their team is in trouble. Yes, Matthews, but Chaine was out quickly. Kept his eye on the ball there, the goalkeeper. It's easy to be distracted. Rainers onside. Cuts inside, right-footed effort, no real power. First corner of the game. With 10 minutes to half-time. Marcelo Allende curls it in, free header to Mokoena from the set piece. Mamelodi Sundowns are in the lead. Not the kind of goal you want to give away.
Not the kind of goal you want to give away, indeed. And we know that with the Mamelodi Sundowns, they're not a team that really thrives in set pieces and be able to score. Again, they find themselves free inside the box there. Mokoena with an outswinger. Alana Pass will be very disappointed as to them.
The Pirates got caught at set pieces in that Champions League semi-final. He had a free header. It's nicely taken as well by Mokoena. Angled down.
And you can see that Van Rooyen was the person that was marking Mokoena. You can see the challenge. Mokoena coming in, running into the ball. They're always going to have that power. It's always going to be difficult to be able to stop him, but also good ball as well.
Down for Sundowns is Jaden Adams, but play continues, and Sales is just going to keep going. Cuts inside two, and another. He's going to take the shot. Good effort, and Rainers on the counter, and Matthews has his effort saved by Sipho Chaine. That could have been two, that should have been two.
That should have been two men on the picture here. Good work been done by Salas. Continues with his fine form, his fine space around the left. That shot there, good save from Chaine. And look at the ball there, Rainers. That plays into Matthews. Those are just the tap-ins, and those are the most difficult ones as well to score, because you already scored them before scoring them. And I'm sure Matthews is very disappointed. But
the intentions of Eminence Mahopa, who's playing his first game of the season. Long ball here for Sanes. Keeper on the edge of the area. In contention for a little run out sometime soon. Here comes the corner. Kakana's in there. Losing out. Mokoena for Rainers. Good tackle, but Rainers is it on goal. That's a good save.
Oh, the brilliant save there from Chaine, making himself big. Came out right on time when Rainers won from a goalkeeper of Chaine's caliber. You can see here good fighting as well from Rainers.
This is where the effort fell for Sundowns. Really losing out. Obas getting his first bit of action of the season. Now Mokoena. Long range, Mokoena! Well, we've seen some spectacular long-range shots in his time from Tebogo Mokoena.
Now we haven't seen the Mokoena spec that. Just landed so nicely for him. And Chaine as well, making sure that he carries that away with so much power.
Chaine. He's got a hoop this forward now. I don't know, Bukazi or Chaine. Time is running out. Looking for Hotto on the left here. Needs a good first touch. Slipped a little bit there. That's good defending. On the right hand.